to show you how to make 7 layers magic bars, and they look like this. So we're going to have a separate layer for the graham crackers biscuit as the crust, and then we're going to have a separate layer for shredded coconuts, and there's also a layer for some toffee crunch, and there's also a separate layer for dark chocolate chips, and another layer for white chocolate chips, and for the top, we're going to pour some condensed milk to bring everything together. So I hope you guys will stay until the end. Watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Let's give this a try. Those 7 layers, they really work well together. It's simply amazing. So, I hope you guys will give this a try, and until next time, bye!